Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Explorer Active. Coming in as a nice space white coloring. This week's going to be powered by a lovely 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, backup camera, roof spoiler, roof rails as well. We got mud flaps on the rear, some nice silver rims, black trim all along this vehicle with blind spot detection. We do get a lovely liftgate with this vehicle as well, with license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can open on the key fob if you wanted to. There you go. Which provides you quite a bit of storage even with your third row up, and if you just want to collapse it, you just pull this forward, your seat will go forward. You got cup holders, storage on either side, hooks and doodads, pretty handy. USB-Cs, 12 volt, more storage below, and I'm just gonna bring that back up and it'll lock back in place. And to close, all you have to do, hit that button right there and it will go down automatically for you. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 7 pretty comfortably. We have this nice dark cloth interior, plenty of door space in the back, floor mats. You got a step to get to the back with adjustable middle seats, and you just slide that forward and you have access to your back two passengers with the same cloth interior. We got cup holders and arm space right here with 2 USB-Cs, 12 volt, and storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, liftgate, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 256 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone, voice and media, volume mute, and cruise control, digital speedometer. We have My View, trip and fuel, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio and phone. To my right, we got our gear select, park and brake, drive modes, cup holders, and storage with outlets. More storage here with storage below. We have your auto stop, auto start, park sensing, hazards, traction, and auto hold with your lovely backup camera. We got storage below as well, and a nice big infotainment system that is going to be powered by Google with all your climate controls at the bottom, dual climate, heated front seats, as we do get Google Maps, phone, personal profiles, and audio. I'm going to click into our audio real quick, where we do get AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all that jazz. You got navigation if you connect to your phone, personal profiles, vehicle settings such as hill descent, brightness, valet mode, vehicle status settings, and you can play around the vehicle and open your liftgate right here. All your Google apps will be found in here, or any apps you may have downloaded, such as Google Maps, Play Store Assist, YouTube, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is GB40299, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.